Gotta love junk mail. Junk mail, bill collectors, junk mail, bill collectors. Sir Jester. This is interesting. There's a wax seal on it too. This doesn't seem like junk mail to me. Oh, look at this. Sir Jester, you excite us to say the least. I hope our adventures aid you well on your bearded journey. I will present you with a beard oil that holds a unique power. But with this power will attract members of the underworld. They will hunt for you, they will seek you, and they will find you. But with this power, you shall fend them off. You will know what to do once you see them. Best of luck, my friend, the wizard. Anyway, I'm bored. I'm gonna go mow the lawn. This is incredible. I have these awesome powers. Oh, this feels great. Are you kidding me? More? I can't believe it. Are you kidding me? It's a dragon. It's a really live, real dragon. Like fire with fire.
Woo! Barely made it out there alive. What's going on, my bearded brothers, my brethren to the beard? It is I, the bearded Jester, coming at you live with a magical bearded review. As you can see from that intro, this is not going to be your average run-of-the-mill review. This is probably going to be my most unique review yet. And one of the reasons being that's going to be absolutely unique is because this company is actually run by someone that's not human. He's not mortal, but legend says he is a wizard. So being that said, let me introduce you to the wizard himself. BAM! What the hell? Harry? Listen, homie, you are no wizard compared to this wizard. He is the wizard of all wizards. You're kind of like a knockoff. Where's the wizard with... Oh, there you go. How you doing, my great wizard? Listen, can you do me a huge favor? We got an imposter here. Can you sprinkle some of your magic potion on me so I can get rid of this guy? Oh, okay, not too much. I don't want the head to be too shiny. Sorry, Harry, you're out of here. That take care of that problem. This is the awesome wizard himself, the creator of this awesome company, Fable Beard Company. Now, I was blessed enough that the great wizard himself has put treasure upon my door. What makes this company unique more than others, that every time they come out with a product, they come out with all different type of characters. And let me tell you, they have a whole army full of characters, and this is not all of them. So being that said, let's start off by reviewing their beard wash and co-wash. The first character we have up to bat is... BAM! The barkeeper! This is actually their unscented beard wash. And let me tell you right now, this is a non-stripping beard wash. Easy, easy. This is PG-13. The first thing I noticed about this product that it lathers up fantastically. But as you can see, the detail of their heroes that they come out with, their characters they come out with, is awesome and in detail. So let's move on to their co-wash. Bam! Still, the barkeeper unscented. It is truly, truly unscented. You don't smell anything. This co-wash, as you can see, I used a pretty decent amount. And this makes your beard feel silky smooth when you get out of the shower. Yep, it makes you feel just like that. They have some great, awesome properties in here. They have shea butter, hemp oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, as well as aloe vera. Now we're gonna move on to their amazing balms. We got the Hero, the Scribe, and the Gunslinger. First up the bat is the Hero. This right here is their cologne scented balm. And I would like to say this is actually probably like a medium scented balm. As you can see, like I said before, the great detail the great wizard puts on his product. For those of you that like cologne scented products, this product is definitely for you. This has magical ingredients in it. It has shea butter, beeswax, coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and argan oil, as well as essential oils and fragrance oils. In other words, you're gonna look like a badass wizard with a beard. Their consistency of the balm, I would say, is more of a light holding balm. It's not strong by any means, but it still, like I said, makes the beard feel phenomenal, a great shine, not too much, and it's not that hard to take it. As you can see, it's a relatively light balm, and it emulsifies relatively quickly. Ah, it feels phenomenal. Whoa. Be warned, you use their product, you might get powers. All right, the other character I'm gonna present you with is the Scribe. This is their awesome coffee scented product right here. It's not just coffee, it's actually coffee and chocolate. And I tell you right now, it is actually a perfect balance of coffee and chocolate. When you first put this product on, you'll get a first whiff of like the chocolate, but then you'll get that subtle smell of the coffee. But like they say, every nose is different. Those of you who follow me on Instagram know that I'm a huge fan of coffee scented products. But this has the same nourishing features as all their other balms, so I'm not gonna list on the back of it what it is. But just check out the detailed artwork of this. I know I keep doing this, but I'm gonna show you every single character in detail.
The next hero we have is the Gunslinger.
This was actually my favorite looking character out of all the bunch, because check out that detail on this awesome character, the Gunslinger. The true OG, look at him. This is their patchouli scented product, or however you say that word. I would say it has like a medium scent to it that actually lasts the whole day just as well as their other products. And like I said, when matched with their oil, this scent is even more potent. For me, I can't have the balm without the oil. It's just a must. But the true gems of the bunch are their oils. Their oils are absolutely fantastic. If you're not much of a beard butter person, if you're not much of a balm wearing person, you just like oils, this company is for you. You know that this product is also one is handmade by the OG Wizard of Wizards himself. Their oils have coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, essential oils, and fragrance oils. It has a great clear coloration. And I would have to rate this oil like a medium weight oil, which smells phenomenal. Like I said, if you're a huge fan of cologne scented products, this product is for you. And like I said, you rub this on, you can get powers. No, but I had the great honor to review 3 characters out of their roster of characters. My man Wizard right here is constantly coming out with awesome different new characters and scents and products. He actually just came out with a body wash as well as a kids line as well. Where's the teacher? What's going on, Dan? What's happening, brother? These 2 people are awesome right here, man. Shout out to Dan C and shout out to the Wizard for making this awesome product. All right, Dan, you can go now. Don't make me blow the fire. Okay. I highly suggest you check out this company. They have an awesome Instagram, a huge following on Instagram right here. And they have an awesome adventurous style website. Definitely gotta check them out right over here. There's only one thing I would love to watch this company do, but I would love to see them as 3D action figures, collection or a limited edition. Like these amiibos here. Just imagine you've seen the Gunslinger in a figure like this. How awesome would that be? It'd be awesome they had a jester character. Wink. Wink, 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 wink. Hey, next time, thank you for rocking with me, my bearded brothers, my brethrens in the beard. It is I, the Bearded Jester. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's more to come just like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that dumb bell notification so you can get every update on my videos. As the great wizard would say, every beard has a story, and we would love to hear your story. Let me know in the comments below how you would continue the beginning of that intro. How would you end it? How would it go? Let me know in the comments below. I'm out of here. I'm the Jester. Love you guys.